What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to an explanation video to what's been going on and what's been happening with me. So I sorry I haven't been posting regularly, guys. So fortunately for me, I've been honest with you and been transparent and straight up, which I always will be on this channel. I've been going through a bit of a rough time, a bit of depression. I've lost my job. It's been an absolute fucking shit show. And I just want to be straight up with you guys, you know, what's been going on and what's been, you know, what my plans are and stuff like that. So I live with my sister, luckily enough, where, you know, I still have a roof over my head, so thank God for that. And, you know, luckily, you know, I have enough money saved to keep me going. And yeah, I just gotta figure out a plan, what I want to do, you know, where I'm at and stuff like that. So basically what's been happening, guys, is I'm trying to decide where I'm 37. I've no kids, I'm single. I had this plan, I was literally going for my mortgage for a house in the next week or two, until they dropped this bombshell on me that my contract was up and it wasn't getting renewed. That's basically it. Now my plan was I had two houses picked out. They both had garages, sheds, whatever you want to call them, on the side where I can work on cars. I literally, they were up there for ages. I'd viewed the houses. I was going to put in offers as soon as I got my mortgage approved. Like, I had everything set in stone. I was going away buying more wrap to start wrapping cars. I had all this planned out, you know, a full up until next year. Get a project, the project car, you know, for you guys was the main thing for me as well. And now that's all fucked. It's all gone out the window, guys. There's not much I can do about it. So I don't know what my next steps are. I feel like it's a sign not to be in Ireland. I hate living here. I really do. I do not like living in this country. It is terrible to live here. It pisses rain all the time. Where I live, there's no supercars, no sports cars. There's nothing to do. So now I gotta decide on my next steps. And what I'm going to do is basically, I've been applying for jobs here just in case to roll me over. I'm going to be off work for the next, I don't know how long, guys. So I've decided while I'm off, I just mentally, you know, wasn't ready to go back posting videos. But because now I have all my free time to be posting videos, I'm going to be, obviously this channel is not going to be making me any money, but fuck it, I'm going to post every day. What else am I going to do? I'm going to post every day. If I do miss a day, I'm sorry, but look, it'll be something for me to do every day instead of being bored. Work-wise, I've applied for jobs here just in case. The rent here is crazy. There's nowhere to rent here. Like, the rent prices are nuts. So I've decided to apply for jobs in the UK, in Liverpool and Manchester. Like, my wage over there, I could live easy enough over there. And I've also applied for jobs in Dubai and in Abu Dhabi. The problem being in IT, guys, for there is that sector is saturated, where the wages aren't that great. And, you know, I would want to be making around minimum 4,000 euros a month over there to probably live okay. But if I was living there, I know it'd be great content for you guys to go off and see what, you know, the supercars over there and doing vlogs and stuff like that. So I really don't know at this stage where I'm going to end up job wise. I'm just applying for jobs, you know. If I could get a remote job that would let me travel, I would piss off to Spain. I would live it up in the sun for a bit and work remotely. But, you know, it's hard to get remote jobs as well that'll let you travel. So I decided to make this video to let you know what's going on, guys. That's basically why I haven't really been posting, but now I have no excuse to be back posting regularly on the channel. Also, guys, it's tough. YouTube is really difficult. I mean, like, it's very hard when you're making content and it's not getting any views and you're not really getting any subscribers. You feel like you're just pissing against the wind, and, you know, without having a car here, a sports car or car project, or dealerships to go down to, or car spotting, I have none of that here. It's just this. It's very difficult. And, like, you know, I'm not news. I'm just a discussion channel. That's basically because I watch what you watch. And yeah, I mean, if I could have the views that Life of Apollos gets and reel in 4,000 or 5,000 euros a month, I mean, I would have an Audi R8 outside the door right now, and I'd have a really nice house, you know, easily. but I know you need to work towards it, but it's very fucking difficult. Any out there that have a YouTube channel, it's not easy to get subscribers and get views. So what I'm gonna do is, fuck it, I'm just gonna go start making videos 8 to 10 minutes long, and get back making content. As you know, my regular subscribers and viewers watching this, I don't fuck around. I don't make any bullshit titles. I don't try and fake it. You just see what you get, and I'm just very upfront and honest, and I don't try and bullshit my way through the videos or make bullshit videos either. So today I just want to give this video. I am going to have another video out later on. It might be a bit controversial, but I'm going to start try and make more controversial kind of videos. Being a bit more hardline more in depth into what's going on in the car community on YouTube, and just kind of discussing other channels as well. But yeah, just so I let you know, and so I make this video. So we'll see what happens, guys. I will keep you posted on the job front, where I end up going. If I end up getting a job here or in the UK or wherever the fuck I end up getting one, and I will let you know. I will take you along for the ride about what happens with my life outside of YouTube. So that's it for today. Thanks a million for watching, guys. Please do smash the subscribe button if you want, and do comment below, hit the like button, and I shall see you in the video later on today. So until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.